Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best AirPods Pro cases available on the market for their true quality. These cases are designed to protect your AirPods Pro while adding functionality and style. You can find links to each of these products in the description below. So let's not waste any time and get started with the video. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the RFUNGA AirPods Pro 2nd Gen Protective Case. This case stands out with its military-grade hard shell design and upgraded security lock. It's crafted from high-quality TPU material, offering excellent all-around protection against fingerprints, scratches, drops, and bumps. The case's unique lock ensures that your AirPods stay securely enclosed, and it's easy to open when needed. One of its key selling points is the included multifunctional cleaning kit. With a silicone nib, flocked sponge, and high-density brush, it makes cleaning your AirPods and their case a breeze. The case is compatible with both wired and wireless charging, and it has a visible LED indicator cutout, so you can always check the charging status. While the build quality is robust, the 2.46-ounce weight makes it a bit bulkier than other cases, which might not be ideal for those looking for a lightweight option. This case is perfect for anyone who prioritizes durability and cleanliness, especially if you're constantly on the go. However, the added bulk and slightly lower customer rating, 4.2 out of 5 stars, compared to competitors, might make it less appealing for some. Overall, it's a solid choice for those who value rugged protection and extra functionality. Coming in at number 4 is the ESR Cyber Series AirPods Pro case. This case is all about innovation with its standout secure flick lock feature. The dual magnet locking system ensures your AirPods stay securely in place, while the rubber slider mechanism allows for a one-handed spring open action. This makes accessing your earbuds incredibly convenient. The case offers excellent drop protection, thanks to its shock-absorbing polymer and AirGuard corners. It's also magsafe ready, ensuring seamless wireless charging compatibility. The sleek design doesn't compromise on functionality, with precise cutouts for the charging indicator and a snug fit for both USB-C and Lightning charging cables. At just 1.08 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to carry around. While this case excels in convenience and protection, the price might be a bit steep for those who don't require the advanced locking mechanism. It's a fantastic option for users who want a modern, high-tech case with enhanced security and charging features. With a 4.6-star customer rating, it's clear that this case delivers on its promises. But its niche features may not appeal to everyone. At number 3, we have the ESR Full Drop Protection Case for AirPods Pro. This case strikes a balance between functionality and practicality. It features a hybrid shell design with a hard outer layer and a shock-absorbing core, providing strong protection against drops and impacts. The inclusion of a braided lanyard makes it easy to carry, whether you're attaching it to your bag or wearing it on your wrist. One of its most impressive features is the magsafe compatibility. Strong magnets ensure a secure fit on magsafe chargers, allowing for effortless wireless charging. It also includes speaker cutouts that amplify the Find My app sound, making it easier to locate your AirPods in a pinch. The design is sleek and minimal, with a visible charging light indicator and an ultra-slim profile. Overall, this case is ideal for users who want a reliable, easy-to-use option with excellent portability. Its 4.7-star rating speaks to its quality, but it lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-ranked options. Still, it's a great choice for those who want dependable protection without unnecessary extras. In second place, we have the Usemaker AirPods Pro Case Cover with Cleaner Kit. This product is perfect for users who want a combination of practicality and affordable luxury. Made from premium silicone, the case feels silky smooth in your hands while offering 360 degrees protection against shocks, scratches, and drops. The one-piece design ensures the lid stays attached, and the dust plug keeps the charging port clean when not in use. What sets this case apart is the included 3-in-1 cleaning pen. With a metal tip, soft brush, and flocking brush, it helps you maintain your AirPods in pristine condition. The case supports both wired and wireless charging, and has a transparent wall for LED visibility. The anti-lost keychain adds convenience, making it easy to carry your AirPods wherever you go. This case is an excellent choice for users looking for a lightweight, stylish option with added cleaning functionality. It's versatile and user-friendly, but its soft silicone build may not offer the same level of drop protection as harder cases. With a 4.5-star rating, it's a fantastic mid-range option for everyday use. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the ESR Magnetic Lid AirPods Pro case. This case blends innovative design with unmatched functionality. Its magnetic locking lid ensures a secure hold, preventing accidental openings, while the shock-absorbing polymer and air-guard corners provide top-notch drop protection. This combination makes it one of the most durable and reliable cases on the market. The case is magsafe ready, with strong magnets that align perfectly for seamless wireless charging. The visible status light cutout allows you to check charging progress at a glance. Despite its robust build, the case is lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for everyday use. The sleek black design is both professional and stylish, appealing to a wide range of users. This case is ideal for anyone looking for premium protection and convenience. Its 4.7-star rating reflects its quality and customer satisfaction. While it doesn't include extras like a cleaning pen or lanyard, its superior build quality and thoughtful design make it a standout choice for protecting your AirPods Pro. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect AirPods Pro case for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which case you'd go for, or if you have any questions about these products. I'll see you in the next video.